everybody, it's Christine here and welcome back to my channel. So, okay, so I know you guys see a lot of hauls, and I'm going to kind of explain to you why I film me opening almost everything, because in case, you know, something happens, like I open something and it's broke, and they don't believe me, then I have video proof to show them that, no, it did indeed arrive broke. So, I have this right here. We're going to Alaska in a couple months, and I had to get my daughter a new car seat because A, she's fixing to wait out of the one she had because we gotten her, it was like $90 before we had her. So we just kind of went to the store and bought one. We didn't really honestly do any research into it. And then we realized the other week when we were at our doctor's appointment that she is 19 pounds and that one only holds till 22. So I Amazon Primed this one. This one was $165 with tax. So I'm hoping that it's everything we need. It did get here really quickly. Thank you, Prime. I appreciate you. Oh, okay. It's already put together. Let's see what we think. Oh. Okay. I am making a mess. Okay, so let's cut this. Excuse me. Just cannot get over this cough. It has a really long kind of like that. I like that it has cup holders. I need to send that back. Okay, I can tell you right now, my baby is way too big for this portion of it. She just weighed out of this one because it says 4 through 18 pounds, and she's a little bit bigger than that. But this looks very comfy. I would have loved for her to have gotten the use out of it. So this is what we're left with. Let's see. Is this how we... Okay, so this is how we pull these. Do not play. I think this would be not nicer. Okay, and that's when she ages out of that, this part comes out. Okay, how do I get the seat out? Oh God, I gotta read this. You know, honestly, I'm probably just going to have my dad or my mom, or my dad or my husband install this. Here's the tethers. What is this? Okay, what are you? You are... latch lower anchor. Top tether installation. Which I think I know where my hooks are, so that will be good. Okay, and that's that side. Okay. Obviously that goes. This is where the belt clips into. Okay. So I actually think it is all set up. All it's got to do is just to recline it. Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. That's cool on reclining, but how do I get it to where it's... There we go. Okay. And what are these two? I'm not sure. Rear facing only. Okay, so that's to add stability to that. Okay, well, seems pretty, I know there's got to be a way for this to come off. Just not quite sure how. Oh well, honestly, we're not taking the car seat anywhere anyway. So, she's old enough. Okay, so that way it goes up more and cover more. We can tighten this to where it doesn't. All right, this seems pretty stable and sturdy. Now I just need to swap out the car seat in my car for this one. So this is all that I have for you guys today. I will tell you how I like it, and if it's worth the money. If not, I'm probably going to just buy another one, and we'll do another test. So, yeah, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!